In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a form on Jotform. If you're looking to save time while working on multiple projects or need consistency across your forms, duplicating an existing form on Jotform can be incredibly handy. Whether it's for a registration form, survey, or any other type of form you've painstakingly designed, this process ensures you don't have to start from scratch every single time. Let me guide you through how you can effortlessly make a copy of your form with just a few clicks. First things first, head over to the official Jotform website. This is your starting point. Jotform is known for its user-friendly interface and its ability to let you create stunning forms quickly. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button on the upper right corner and click on it to proceed. Logging in is straightforward. If you've linked your Jotform account with Google or another platform, choose the respective option that appears on the screen. This step is all about ensuring that you can seamlessly access your Jotform dashboard without hassle. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the My Forms section. This area is where all your creative work is stored. From here, you'll see a list of all the forms you've designed or been working on. Take a moment to glance through your collection and identify the form you wish to duplicate. Found the right form? Great. Now locate the More option, which is usually represented by 3 vertical dots, or a similar icon next to the form's name. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu with several actions you can take. Among these options, you'll find the clone feature. The terminology might vary slightly, but the concept remains the same across most digital platforms. Making an exact copy. Go ahead and click on Clone. This action prompts Jotform to instantly create a duplicate of the selected form. It's almost like magic. Just a click and you now have 2 identical forms. The beauty of this feature is that every detail from your original form is carried over to the new one. No detail is too small, ensuring a perfect replica is made. Once the duplication is complete, you'll be able to see the duplicated form in your My Forms list, or you might be directly taken to the form editor for the new copy, depending on how Jotform's interface is set up at the moment. This is your confirmation that the duplication has been successful. From here, you can start working on your new form right away. Whether it's editing questions, changing themes, or adjusting settings, the duplicated form gives you a head start, eliminating the need to build from the ground up. A few additional tips to keep in mind. While duplicating forms is a quick process, ensure you review the cloned version thoroughly. Sometimes minor adjustments are needed, especially if you're tailoring the new form for a different audience or purpose. Also remember that while the content and design are copied, certain integrations or specific settings might require reconfiguration to suit the new context. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to duplicate a form on Jotform. This not only saves you valuable time, but also allows you to maintain consistency across different projects or events. By following the steps we've discussed today, you can streamline your workflow and focus more on the creative aspects of your forms rather than starting from scratch every single time. And remember, duplicating a form is just the beginning. Each form you create can serve as a template or inspiration for future projects, making your work with Jotform more efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're new to Jotform or looking to enhance your form building skills, I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your online forms.